Next we will see membership operators. Member in the sense it's a collection of things. In a classroom there are 10 members, 15 members. So membership operators, there is a collection and we are going to operate with it. Also here also it is going to be a boolean output, and we are going to check whether the particular member, particular person or particular item or particular product is available to this particular items or products or peoples or groups. Okay, it is available or not, we are going to check it. Like if I let me go there are only two membership operators, one is in or not in. It's similar to like previously we saw, right? Not equal to or equal to, like that only. But in membership, let's say we have a list called like like numbers. Okay, I have a list called numbers. I'm going to like quickly like create a list, some number. Okay, some list. I have a list here. I'm going to check if 5 in number. If 5 is available in the list, it is going to be give true. You see, 5 is available in the list, so it is giving true. If I'm going to like checking like 2 in number, it is going to be false because 2 is not available in the list. This is how you make a membership operations. And if I want to check 2 is not available in the list. Okay, 2 is not available in the list, what you just create like not in. Not is always like opposite, giving you opposite values. Number, it is going to be true because 2 is not available, and we are checking not available, whether not in the member. Okay, same like if I want to check 5, 5 not in the same thing, and it is going to be false because 5 is available there, and it is going to be give false because 5 is available in the list. This is the membership operator. This is also it will be for while or conditions to make a choice. Okay, this is a membership operator.